What are bioplastics? The word bioplastics is used to describe plastics that have bio-based content, have the functionality to biodegrade at the end of life, or are both bio-based and biodegradable. Bio-based bioplastics can come from feedstocks such as corn, sugar, lignin, grasses, algae, and waste agriculture byproducts, among other renewable resources. Biodegradable bioplastics completely break down in the environment using natural processes such as microbial activity and hydrolysis. They don't have to be bio-based to be biodegradable. Also, bioplastics may be recyclable.